Hi, welcome back to my channel, Law Laboratory at Law Lab 1. So this is a second step on how to register your business name. So the last video we talked about account creation and how to navigate the new ICRP AI portal. Now the second step is name reservation. Once you have logged into your portal, your dashboard, so enter your new password and your email. So they are going to send you a code in your Google Authenticator. Go and collect the code and enter. Then you come to this place. It will lead you to your dashboard. So this is still the address you will use, icrp.gov.ng. Then this slash can be dashboard or name reservation to enter this place. Yeah. So start a new name reservation. You click the new name reservation icon. This is how it will look like. Important notice for name reservation on new ICRP. Except for names requiring consent, that is IT. IT here means incorporated trustee, or what we call here in Nigeria as NGO, and limited by guarantee, company limited by guarantee. Apart from these two, because these two you need the consent of CAC before you can register. All other name reservations are now automated. You will get instant approval once your payment is successful. That is the advantage of AI being introduced by CAC. That is to say, you don't need to wait for 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 10 working days, and all of that before your business name can be approved. That is a good news. You can start your business name by 8 a.m. and then by 8:30 a.m. 30 minutes time, everything is ready. Even your certificate, you can download your status report, everything. That is the advantage of the AI system now. So you have to follow the process, the complete name, check if the name is available. That is what I'm going to show you. So all the names that are similar, CSC will not approve it. Now look at this number 6. Okay, number 5. Notwithstanding availability of name, the Commission reserves the right to refuse registration of name. They have that right to refuse it, whether it's name available or not. And then any registration initiated without payment of filing fee shall expire after 60 days for the days of the approval. So if the name is approved and you don't follow it up to pay the filing fee, the CAC can and another person can use that name after 60 days. So let's proceed. Business classification. What are you registering? Is it a business name? Is it company? So for this case, we are doing a business name. Is it sole proprietorship or partnership? Let's say sole proprietorship. So it's still the same thing for company. If it is company, you click company. Private company limited by share. That is a common companies we register. Yeah. You check, you click continue, you bring company information. What is the name of the company? Now for company, the name must end in LTD or limited. Any name that your client or you want to register, you must put this qualifier LTD or limited before it will go. Yeah, if not, it will not go. But this video particularly is for business name. Let's go back. Business name and then sole proprietor. Continue. Company information. Now let's say the name is Wise Choice. Wise Choice. And then what is the nature of the business? What are you into? These are the different things: accommodation and food services, activities, all these administrative and support services, agriculture, forestry, entertainment, community-based consultation, education, foundation, just go down mining, other services, others power, a whole real estate, social clubs, transportation, water supply. So all of this. So what are you into? What type of business are you into? Now, some of them may not be here. There are, okay, this is education. Let's check the things you have here. Apprenticeship training, business support to the curriculum education, guidance and counseling, ICT, laboratory services, multi-trade supply, crèche, daycare, Bible school, all these are under education, Islamic school, nursery and primary, organizing conferences, seminars, publication of law reports and journals, teachers, recruitment, vocational, and all of this for education. So just check what type of thing are you into. Let me show you something. Look at this place. This one, administrative and support services activities. There are so many things here. Most of the things people do to the most of the business people do are here. So in case you are looking for where is this, and just check here, check there. You will see a whole lot of things. This is people that are used to kill meat, slaughter people, car wash, blacksmith, block industry, boutique, car wash services, catering, cleaning and forwarding, black code room, computer agency, cyber cafe, jewelry, driving, school, electric, all manner of things are here. Farming, fashion design, for general services, merchandise, goldsmith, art industry, laundry, even POS is here, plumbing, CPOS, printing press, rental services, and all manner of things, even stationaries, upholstery and furniture, travel agency, trading, test site, technical, supply, swimming, a whole lot of things, restaurant are here. So you choose the ones that you, so if you don't have any particular one, you can choose general merchandise or general contract. So if, for example, we are going with this fashion designing and tailoring services, you take note that this is what will be written on your certificate. This this is what will be written on your certificate as the nature of business, what you are into. Yeah, so let's check the availability. This name is not complete. I just purposely let it be like that. I'll show you something. Now let's check. Since the proposed name did not pass this compliance check, reason qualifier and non-found. So now what they do now is that you must qualify the name by adding any of this. You either add Wise Choice Venture, and Concepts, Enterprise, Beauty, Fashion before it can go. If not, it will not go. You must qualify. So let's add Wise Choice Services. This is also qualified. You can also use this and check. Okay, it's running. Oh, we are sorry again. The proposed name Wise Choice Services did not pass the compliance test. Business name already exists. That is, somebody have already registered this name. You can no longer register it. So you have to modify it. Someone have already registered it, so we have to take it away. And even if it's not exactly the same, if it is similar, likely to deceive the public, you cannot register it. So CSE also suggests name. You can click here to get names suggested. Let's check. Wise Wardrobe, Galaxy Point, Wise, and all of that. So all these ones are available because they're from CSE. Let's check this first one. Say continue. It's already here. They already ticked it. So what you need to do is to continue to payment. You don't need to check availability again. But I just want to show you how it looks like. You can modify this Wise and wardrobe concepts. Let's look at Wise wardrobe concept and check availability if it is available. Wise wardrobe concepts. All right, congratulations. The proposed name Wise Robot concept is available for registration. So this one is available. You now click on continue. So you continue to payment. Continue to payment. All right, this is the interface for payment. So cross-check that that is the name you want. Please note that you will not be allowed to make modifications after payment. So check if the names are okay before you. So the name reservation is 1000, then the service charge 200. Now this number, remitter RRR, make sure that you save it. Copy it and place it somewhere, or you can screenshot. You can screenshot it and put it somewhere. It's very important because sometimes the payment will decline, but they will debit you. So you need to use this number to track it to get back your verify your payment. So click having done, if you have saved it, then you click on remitter processing. Now note that these are the different payment options, but note that this is not the only money you are going to pay. This is not the only money you will pay. This money is just for name reservation. This is not the main money for business name registration. Yes, I think the main money is about 20,000 or so. Yeah. So you can use card, enter your card number, the expiring date, month and year, the CVV, then you you click here. In this place, it will turn to OTP. They will send you an OTP to that your the line, the number you use to receive alerts. When you enter the OTP and then you press continue, it will read here successful, and then the name will be under pending in your dashboard. It will be pending, but since it's automated, automatically since already the name is available, automatically they will tell you that the name has been approved for registration. You now start your application. If you don't want to use card, you can use transfer. Me, I like transfer. Yes, I used to use this. So copy the account number. The name of the account is Remitter Checkout. Copy the account number like this. Then go to your bank app, paste the account number, then check for the name Cash Connect NF Microfinance Bank. It will appear. Then this is the amount. Ensure that you put this dot. Everything must be complete. 1,361.25. Very, very important. If not, it will be pending. So note that this account expires in 30 minutes. So you have to be fast and careful. You can only use the account once. Don't go and use it again. Just use it once. After 30 minutes, you can no longer use it. So once you have sent the money, you come back here, you say, I have sent the money, and then it will tick successful. Then your business name has been approved. You can now proceed to registration proper. So which will be the next video? Go and watch, just watch out for the next video on how to carry out business name registration proper. That is the main thing, proper. You can also use an USSD code for different banks. Yes, different banks. You can use code for in case the other ones are not working. So that is that. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Watch out for more videos and like and share.